He is using the 7018 rod, 1/8 inch. We got it on about 105 amps, and we're going uphill. The goal is to master this technique, and the only way you're going to master this technique is to actually practice, fam. But it's 3 things to remember: travel speed, your gap, and your angle. All of those things are going to be very, very important. And he's getting better and better.
Real fast.
All right, then. You didn't do too bad.
Real fast.
You're getting better and better. The only way you're going to get it, you got to keep running them. We're going to let them clean it off, and we're going to come back and check them out, fam. See what bro just did. About to get ready to tie in. We're going to watch him tie in, fam. Everybody's working on uphill stick welding today. So they started off on flat, and now they have made it to the horizontal position. Made it to the vertical position. And normally the uphill process takes a little while to master it with the gravity and learning how to get familiar with the rod and striking it, and there's a few different variables. He's getting it in though, fam. Just wanted y'all to know where we're at. We in Little Rock, Arkansas, off of Scott Hamilton Drive, Southwest Little Rock, Arkansas, at the Goodwill Academy. 16 weeks program, family. 16 weeks program. You learn stick welding, flux core welding, and MIG welding in 4 positions. We help you with your OSHA 10, and we help you with job placement and building your resume. It's a win-win program, family, for the price, $37.75. So only 16 weeks under $4,000. It's a game changer. So you see how he did that now? See how you did that? Now the way to fix that, you still can fix that. I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I'm glad I witnessed that. So put that rod back on there. You see this plate over here? That's what this is for. You strike it. So you put the, yeah, you didn't see that now? That's what that plate over there is for. So put the rod back in it, and what you do, you strike and run it down till you get it back down to where it's good at, and then clean it, and then go back in it. Yeah, yeah. More than one way to skin a cat, fam. But while you're learning it, like I say, the goal is to learn all the processes. So it's okay when you got to start from the beginning. You see what he's doing? Look at him. Woo, ready to go. Just taught him a cool trick. So y'all just learned something with us. So when you mess up a rod like that, just get you a little scrap piece and burn it down some till you get it back to a good metal, and then you start back over again. All gone.